In today's guide, we're walking through the complete Fiverr ID verification process. If you're using Fiverr as a seller, you may receive a notification asking you to verify your identity. Don't worry, this process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect when Fiverr asks you to verify your account. Fiverr offers a couple of verification options, but the most common one is basic ID verification. This is usually the first method you'll see when you go to the verification section inside your Fiverr settings. To begin, Fiverr will ask you to continue the verification on your mobile device. You'll either get a QR code that you can scan or an SMS link sent directly to your phone. Once you open that link, everything continues on your mobile device automatically. At this stage, Fiverr will ask you to upload a photo of your ID. This can be a driver's license, government-issued ID, or passport. The most important thing is that the picture must be clear, readable, and taken with good lighting. Make sure the ID matches the information saved on your Fiverr account. If the details don't match, Fiverr might reject the verification and ask you to try again. Try to hold the ID steady so the text is sharp, and double check that nothing is cut off in the frame. Small mistakes like glare or blurry corners can slow down the process, so it's better to get it right on the first try. Once your ID is submitted, Fiverr will review the photo to confirm your identity. This usually takes a short amount of time, and then Fiverr will notify you if your verification was successful. After approval, your account becomes verified, which means you can continue selling your services without interruptions or restrictions. Verification also adds an extra level of trust for buyers, making your profile look more professional. Now let's talk about the second method Fiverr may request: business information and personal data verification. This type is usually required if you're an existing seller who wants to verify business details or if Fiverr needs extra confirmation for your account. To verify your business information, go to your profile settings, click on personal and business information, and look for the verification section. Press the verify button and Fiverr will ask for details like your business name and another clear photo of your ID, similar to the first process. Just like before, make sure the photo follows Fiverr's guidelines so you don't face delays. Completing both verification steps ensures your Fiverr account is fully verified and future issues can be avoided. It also improves your account's security and builds trust with clients. Once everything is confirmed, you can keep offering your services smoothly, confidently, and without worrying about interruptions from Fiverr.